turn to page 107. That's why he's sitting there. Well done. You grow so tall when you sit 2 chairs. Okay, we want to finish with this topic today and also start the next topic and also finish the next topic. The next topic very easy one. It's just application of what you learn. Okay? Workbook. Huh? Then you are late. Take so long to settle down, then your workbook in your locker. Why? I told you already, the best use of your iPad is to throw it down the floor. Spoil it, that is the best thing you can do with your iPad. Go and take your workbook, please. Okay, again, Tuakaso and Pythagoras. That is this chapter. All about right angle triangles. Whenever you have right angle triangle, it is very easy to just look for Pythagoras and then Tuakaso. Okay, let us take a look at question 10. Do I have right angle triangle? Yes. I have 2 of them. ABC, the bottom one is a right angle triangle. ACD, the slanted one, also right angle triangle. Okay. Now, find angle ACB. Angle ACB is here. So angle ACB is within the bottom right angle triangle. ACB. I want to find this angle. I have to look inside this right angle triangle. Then I need 3 things. I want to find this angle. The other 2 things, information that are within the right angle triangle are 9 and 12. So I need to use 9 and 12 to find this angle. So according to this angle, what are my 9 and 12? 9 is opposite my angle. AC is the longer side in this right angle triangle. So AC itself is the hypotenuse already. So 9 opposite my angle. What do I name 9? Huh? It is all these things that you are missing. Who's there? How do I name 9? Opposite. Good. Sang Yao. What do I name 12? Huh? Jason. And Sang Yao, why you cannot answer? Then you have to listen in class and try to remember. Put away your iPad. Why is all these things so obvious? and y'all cannot see. Your iPad is making you stupid. I am forced. Nobody forced you to be stupid. Hello, Naim, you sit back here, then now suddenly here so noisy.
Because of him, right? I don't talk to him. Me? I want to hold it.
You move. Everything, every reason you are telling me got nothing to do with math. Move. Logan, you go there also.
What did I do? I see.
No, there.
Where is that?
Take a chair, face the screen. Hey, sit here, face the screen. Beside, then you can face the screen. I am very happy to just shift y'all and wait for you. Then I don't need to talk, I sore throat. Once you have established your opposite, your adjacent, these are the two sides I want to use to find my angle. I can write down the equation. Opposite, adjacent. So I go to my tua kaso. Opposite, adjacent. OA, linked by T. So I can write down tangent of this angle is equals to opposite over adjacent. TOA. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. 9/12. Once I am able to write down this equation, I can find the angle. To find the angle, I just need to remove the tangent. How do I remove a tangent? Tangent inverse a tangent. So if I want to tangent inverse the left, tangent inverse the tangent disappear. So the left hand side become angle ACB. Right hand side, when I tangent inverse the left, I have to tangent inverse the right at the same time. When I tangent inverse the right, become tangent inverse of 9 over 12. In equation, left continue to be on the left, right continue to be on the right. I tangent inverse the left, I tangent inverse the right. So that what is the same is still the same. Tangent inversing 9 over 12. Hey Logan. Again, what got that worksheet got to do with math? To help, to take away your distraction, you go stand outside. Use your lockers as a table. Tangent inverse 9 over 12 is something I can key inside the calculator, and my calculator will tell me what is the angle. Wow, very good. Then whose calculator? Teamwork makes the dream works. Okay? Next, I want to find AC. Go. I want to find AC. Using 9 and 12 is the best way to find my hypotenuse. Right angle triangle. I know the two sides. I want to find the longest side. Pythagoras theorem. The longest side is AC. So AC, the longest side square, is equals to the two shorter side square added together. I don't want it squared. So I need to square root both sides. Lastly, they want me to find angle CAD. CAD. So the angle they want me to find is here. So now, this angle is inside this right angle triangle. I must be looking at the top right angle triangle already. Okay? Don't look at the bottom right angle triangle anymore. Focus on ACD. In ACD, I want to find this angle now. What are the things that can help me find the angle? 15 and 8. Then I must go and name this again. 8 is my opposite. The angle is now here. So the right angle is like that. AD is my hypotenuse. AD opposite my right angle. So AD is the hypotenuse. And opposite my angle is 8. Opposite. 15 is touching my angle. Can see 15 touching my angle. So 15 is my adjacent. I want to use 8 and 15 to help me find this angle. I want to use opposite and adjacent. So I go to my tuakaso again. Opposite and adjacent. Tangent. Then I can write down the equation. Tangent of angle CAD is equals to opposite over adjacent. 8 over 15. my opposite, adjacent, all these may keep changing when the angle in question changes. Just now I'm talking about this angle, the opposite is 9, the adjacent is 12. Now that I'm talking about a different angle, the opposite is 8, the adjacent is 15. I must use the opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse according to my angle. For sure, you'll be the next one to move. Okay, so same thing. I want the angle. The tangent of the angle is 8 over 15, but if I want that angle, I need to remove the tangent. So I remove the tangent by taking tangent inverse on both sides. After that, I can press calculator. I better do it myself. Got 2 different answers from you all. 28.1 1 dp. Okay, we do. Yes, Jose. Same. Don't need your iPad. Put your iPad in your bags. Hey, my English no good. It is the same as the school rule told to you all. Put your iPad in your bag. Bag. Adam, my English no good, or your English no good. Okay, let's go to question 12, page 109. So easy. Difficult, man. Okay, sorry. Let's go back to question 11, page 108. Okay, I do B and C, you all do A and D later. They want us to find the values of theta and x. Again, this thing is called theta. Theta. It is a symbol. Usually we use this symbol to name an angle. Just like I have an unknown number, I call it x. I have an unknown angle, I call it theta. To save me a handwriting. Okay? So I want to find theta, I want to find x. So I want to find theta, I want to find x. So when I look at this this diagram, if I go and look at theta, theta is inside the right angle triangle EFH. This small one. Inside this small right angle triangle, I only know 21. I don't know this, I don't know this, I don't know the other angles, so I cannot find theta. Then I look at x. If I also look at x inside this small right angle triangle, I also cannot find x. Only got 21. I need one more. I need one more data. So I cannot use this small right angle triangle to find theta. I cannot use this small right angle to find x also. Then I look at the big one. For the big one, I know this angle. I know 21. 21 is opposite 36.9 inside this big right angle triangle. Okay? So if I look at the big right angle triangle, 21 is my opposite. I know this angle. With these two data, I can find the entire bottom. Because this entire bottom inside the big right angle triangle, this whole thing is my, this whole thing, FG, adjacent. This whole thing is touching this angle. So this whole thing is my adjacent. If I know this whole thing minus away 20 is my x already. So I need to do one more step before I find x. I need to find FG first. Okay? And how do I find FG? I use my Tuakaso. Opposite, adjacent, tangent. Then I write down tangent 36.9 equals to opposite over FG. FG. F to G. The entire length. Okay? This, you can write down this relationship halfway done. But the next step is very important. The next step is where students often make mistake. We want to find FG. Okay? So we don't want the FG to be in the denominator. But when we want to solve this equation, students usually make mistake because they anyhow move. When they move FG, they move 21 and they move the tangent 36.9 at the same time. Everything jumble up. Your step will become wrong already. So just do one thing. I don't want FG. I multiply FG. What will happen when I multiply FG to the right hand side? 21 left. Then what will happen to the left when I multiply FG? We don't say add, we multiply. Okay, go and show some restraint. Only do this multiplication. Then the next step becomes very obvious. What is the next step? I want only FG. How do I get rid of this tangent 36.9? Yes. Very good. Naeem telling me the answer. And it is not that difficult. Fg, if this is a number, Fg times 3 equals to 21, I will divide by 3. So if you can get to this, actually the next step is just divide only. But if you try to move 2 at the same time, always got mistake one. This next step always wrong. So just do one thing. Go and multiply it across first. Okay, then press calculator. 21 divided by tangent 36.9. 28.0. I wrong meh? Huh? Yeah? I am finding Fg first. Can you see from my working? I am just finding Fg first. I find Fg is 28 already, then I find x. Whole thing is 28, x is 28 minus 20. Okay, very good. You leave it as 27.969 first, because it is not the final answer. Okay? Then you find x by taking 27.969 minus 20. Okay? Whole thing is 27.969. You minus 20, then you will have x. 7.969. Then to answer the question, give to 3SF 7.97. Okay? Sorry, my mistake just now. Okay? So this one is now 7.969. Now if I want to find the angle theta, I look at the smaller right angle triangle. I have 21. I have x already. I can use 21 and x to find my angle. So same. Just now the angle is 36.9. 21 is the opposite. And Fg is my adjacent. But now angle change from here to here. I am looking at a new right angle triangle. I am looking at a new angle. So I must go and name my sides according to the new angle. Now the angle is here. 21 is no longer opposite. 21 is now the adjacent already. X is the opposite. Okay? Then I can find angle theta. I form the relationship between the opposite adjacent using tangent. Tangent theta is opposite, which is 7.969 over 21. Then I want to find the angle. I don't want the tangent. I remove the tangent by tangent inverse both sides. Then I press calculator. $20.8. Can. Go. Okay? Done? Then we do one more together. See, got people tell me difficult. Ugh. Okay, I think the difficulty in this question is the property of an isosceles triangle. The property of an isosceles triangle, these two sides have the same length. If there is a line that comes down straight and then forms a 90 degree, it will definitely be running through the center, the middle, because an isosceles triangle, both sides are the same. Then this vertical line is like a mirror like that already. When there's a 90 degree line, when it runs directly down. So this vertical line will also divide my j and k into 2 equal half. It will become 9 and 9. Once you know that, you have two right angle triangle. And out of the two right angle triangle, there are information for you to find x. I look at this right angle triangle first. I don't even need to use Trigo. I know 15, I know 9. What is the thing that I should use? Pythagoras. Because these three sides go out lah. Go out. You prefer I send you red box for defiance, for disrupting lesson, or take your book, go stand at the end of the locker. Take your book, like Logan like that. Logan is at the front, you stand at the back. Yes. I got question for you. After lesson, then I ask you. Okay, Pythagoras. I can link 15, 9 and x. The longest side is 15. 15 square is equals to x square plus 9 square. 15 is the longest side. So 15 square is equals to x square plus 9 square. Then I want x ma. I want x, so I want x square to be by itself ma. Then I minus 9 square from both sides. But again, the square comes before the 9. I must square 15 first, then minus square 9. I don't go and 15 minus 9, then go and square together. Okay? The square belongs to the 15. The square belongs to the 9. I square them individually. Then I minus. And also, what I want is x. I don't want x square, so I have to square root both sides. Same A lot of students will make mistake if they try to move x square and move 15 square at the same time. Then I already say, and I repeat myself, it's okay to put your unknown at the right side first. Whichever side easier, I leave it at that side first. Don't go and do two things at the same time, make yourself make mistake. Do one thing, minus 9 square, so simple. So straightforward. Square root, so straightforward. Then I just press calculator, I have answer already. 12. Thank you. Okay? Okay. Then I want to find theta. I look at the left hand side, right angle triangle. Now I know this is 12, this is 9. I want to find this angle. Then I look at this right angle triangle. I want to link 12, 9 and the angle together. I go to my naming. Longer side because opposite 90. Opposite my angle x. 9 touching my angle. So 9 is my adjacent. I want to find the angle. I write down the relationship. Opposite, adjacent, tangent. Tangent angle theta equals to opposite over adjacent. Opposite is 12, adjacent is 9. I want tangent, I want angle, I don't want the tangent. Remove the tangent. Tangent inverse both sides. Press calculator. Okay, there is another way to find also. In fact, the better way is to use cosine. Because here 15, here also 15. So, can also say cosine theta equals to 9 over 15. Adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent, hypotenuse, AH, car, cosine. And actually this one will be more accurate, or is a not say more accurate, it is a safer method because 15 is given. When they tell you here 15, here also 15. So 15 is what was given. 9 is also given. 18 divided by 2 you get 9. But when I use x as 12, I found x. So if I make mistake here, my second part will be wrong also. So if I use 9 and 15, they are the given numbers, it is less likely to be wrong. But if you do everything correctly, you should get the same answer when you cosine inverse 9 over 15, 53.1. Okay, try A and D yourself. And we go through at 10:40. Show the question. Can see the numbers? Yes. Are you trying the question? 10:40, I'll get some of you to present your answer. Of course, I'll be getting those who look like you're not doing work one. My induction is 6 minutes. Y'all not doing me. Go to part A of the board. Ariana, part A. Go to of the board. Megan, part D of the board.
Please lah, don't pick me lah.
You have 6 minutes. You cannot finish now. You go and finish in there.
Finish it under there.
Ariana, continue there. You don't need to write on your iPad, then go and transfer. You can do your work there. Say, Megan, go and complete your work there. Bring your whole book there. Do your work in there. It is happening real time. You don't need to wait.
How many decimal point? How many decimal point? How many decimal point? Decimal point bro.
9.91 lah. Just put as 9.91.
Or put 10. Put 10. 10 lah. How many decimal point?
This one decimal point.
Hey.
No, oh yeah, put anything there.
Mr. Got right, 1 decimal point, 2 decimal point.
Then put what?
No, you don't know what.
9.99.
That's not a decimal point, that's the answer.
No.
We don't know this.
There's no decimal point.
Got decimal means got decimal point.
Then put anyhow lah.
Oh, anyhow.
Just follow cue. What does it say?
No, but I need to know. So it's come out already.
Kalau dah answer macam ni, maknanya tak ada decimal point. Aku taruh situ.
Tak ada decimal point, you put 9 only. This one got after decimal.
Ya lah dia 9.917.
Means got decimal point, right?
Ya lah 9.9917 is a decimal point.
Yeah, how many?
Maybe how many?
How many decimal point?
You see the answer lah. 9.9917 right?
Okay, how many decimal point?
Lah, idiot.
No.
Kalau bapak
It's actually fair.
Right.
Ada apa?
9.9117.
Oh, ini tu begini. Apa lewat ini?
Yes. 57.28.
9.9. Cer. Ini 5 point. Why so different? Wah, I did not get that. Wait. Hey, what?
So question D.
Got 10 cm.
So, this question D.
9%.
Significant figures.
Okay lah.
Huh?
Question D.
D.
This significant figure is
Final answer, if they are asking for side, not exact, go to 3 significant figure. If it's an angle, it's 1 decimal point.
Cer, my answer is 9.99167.
Dia wrong lah.
So I just put 10.
No, 9.99.
9.99.
Yeah.
9. Oh, 9.99. So 10 is not 10 lah.
Okay, Ariana. This is not 10. You press calculator, you should be getting 9.99167.
6, 7.
Then when we round off, 1 significant, 2 significant, 3 significant, 4 is 1, so we don't round up. So it should be 9.99. Okay? Then sin theta equals to opposite over 15.5.
Aku be sleeping. Aku tak sleep. Macam she's doing oral. I think teach Mary or teacher dia kat rumah like be sleeping in class.
Okay, if you never use 10, you use 9.99, you should be getting 40.1. Okay, but the step is correct. Can?
You
So you can do this in your exam. I will give you all the marks. Usually I don't take away for accuracy. Or maybe the whole paper take away 1 mark. But your step is correct. Okay, good. Okay. No, after all this,
40.1, 40.
let me see.
M.
You are finding x.
M for me.
X is opposite, 13 is your hypotenuse.
Because she did it.
So sin 73, correct?
I.
IE, Chucky out now.
Okay, correct.
MY.
Sin theta,
MY. Malaysia.
wrong.
Oh.
We want to
Isap ganja.
use x and 23.
So she moved
So Megan,
the 23.
Saya put 20.
we are looking at angle theta now.
She put 100.
My x, is it still opposite? My x is now? I am now looking at this right angle triangle. My angle theta is inside this right hand side right angle triangle. 23 is still the longer side, 23 is hypotenuse. X. Good. What is the side?
X is hypotenuse. Then NO is
Why never catch?
it's opposite.
Because I perfect set.
So high. Hey, what the fuck? Mana ada hypotenuse tu adjacent ah?
You are finding angle theta. So all your sides, the naming, you must go back to this angle theta. My x is now touching my angle.
Adjacent right?
The side that is touching my angle is named
Adjacent.
adjacent.
Ah, betul lah.
English adjacent means side by side. So my x is side by side touching my angle now. Okay? So my x is now no longer the opposite. Just now the angle is 73. When the angle is 73, x is the opposite. X was the opposite. But now, the angle is theta. My x is now adjacent.
What the fuck?
Which is what I mentioned just now. Will change one according to the angle that you look at. So now x is my adjacent, 23 is my hypotenuse, adjacent, hypotenuse, I should be using cosine. So the relationship should be cosine theta equals to x over 23.
Cosine equals to 12 or 4.
Then, when I find theta, cosine inverse of x is 12.4.
Are you going to go for it?
23.
And there is some problem with your calculator skills also. Even if I press sine inverse 12.4 over 23,
Go to petty. Masalah lah.
the answer I get if I press this is 32.6. How do you get 0.54? Your calculator, is it in the right
Mine.
mode? Remember sine inverse. But I want sine inverse of this thing. Your sine inverse is this is sine cosine inverse. So your calculator skill will go.
Are you sure, mate? Tak percaya.
Okay, one more thing. Both of them have the tendency they want to put their unknown on the left. See, this one is like what I just said. You don't need to do two things at the same time. Just do one thing. Multiply, just multiply. just go to next step. 26 sine 22.6 equals to x. This time happens to be very straightforward. You multiply and you just switch left and right. Same here. I multiply.
She's supposed to end there. Oh. But she continued.
Okay? Compare this to this.
Already.
So they actually multiply and they switch left and right. So actually you did two things already in the same step. This one is straightforward. You can do this and still get it correct. But when there is one more number somewhere left and right, it is very easy to get mistake. So I rather you keep your unknown on the right hand side. You want, you do everything, then you switch. Okay? You all know what I'm talking about? Okay, those who want to go toilet first.
13 plus 7 inside got differently. The D. The X.
Here is sine.
Oh, sine.
Here is sine.
Wait, no, why she continue down?
Left side one. Left hand side.
Oh.
X is opposite. 13 is hypotenuse. When I'm looking at 73. It is part B. When I look at this angle, X is now my adjacent. Just now when I look at this angle, X is my opposite. So this part no wrong. Don't need to change. Hey, those that don't need to go toilet, you can do question 12. 12 is your homework. Huh? End already? Why no short one?
Time goes fast when it's enjoyable.
Yeah. Question 12 homework.